Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Do you want to generate report cards without the paperwork chaos? I will show you how to do it inside IQRA School Management System, fast, clean, and ready to send to the parents. Here is what we will cover. Why this feature saves your school hours, how to generate a report card step by step, and 3 expert tips to keep your data fresh and parents impressed. Forget printing piles of papers or rushing through last-minute updates. With IQRA, you create and publish report cards digitally. If you need to change a grade or attendance, regenerate with one click, and the parents see the latest results instantly. So let's get started. After logging in, you will see this classes page, and this is where all your classroom information is organized. Next, in the top right drop-down, choose Generate Report Card. Then you will see existing report cards if they were made before and a button to add new report card. First, choose the academic year. Now, pick a class. We will go with Islamic Studies KG. Then click on Add New Report Card. Then give it a clear title like Annual Report Card. Set your term date range and click on Create. And it's done. If you update attendance or grades later, no problem. Click on Generate Report and it instantly refreshes with the new data. If the report card is not ready to send, you can keep the report card as a draft. When it's finalized, click on Publish and parents are notified automatically. If you want to alert the parents right away, just click on Send Email after publishing, and they will get the update instantly. And that's it. Try it now in IQRA and give the parents real-time updates they will love. Thank you for watching.